Přátelství je někdy víc než láska.
To pieseň nepoznám. Ja ďakujem Janke Machlačkovej, že sa ujala nášho kamaráta Miroslava Mikulasa. To je celoživotný projekt. A že zdieľajú spolu životnú cestu pri Michove, dvoch krásnych chlapcov, Petrovi Miklasovi, že zdieľa bratstvo so svojím bratom, Mirkom Miklasom a že to doteraz vydržal.
It's burned through by a cigarette. Sometimes when I've nothing to do, I poke my finger through it and I find myself thinking of you, girl. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. I'm at a party and you were there. You look distracted, playing with your hair. I confess I was some kind of mess. I spilled a drink down the front of your dress and you mentioned something about it being your turn. That's when I smelled my jacket started to burn. Called you a bitch, you called me a bastard. You left early while I got plastered and woke up on the kitchen floor. Stole some mouthwash, headed out the door. I had a headache from the schnapps and the beer. That's when I noticed my souvenir. It was a hole in my jacket, burned through by a cigarette. I rode the muni home with nothing to do. I put my finger through it and I found myself thinking of you, girl. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. It's you, girl, you, girl. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. It's you, girl, here we go. They say drop that skirt and a cigarette butt. Well, I guess I tried, all the same. I can't forget your face, I can't remember your name, but I got a hole in my jacket. It's burned through by a cigarette. A little hole is the only clue. I put my finger through it and I find myself thinking of you, girl. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. It's you, girl, you, girl. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. It's you, girl, you, girl. Oh, whoa, whoa. It's you, girl, you, girl. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. It's you, girl, let's go!
Ale že sme sa zniesli navzájom. Porozumení, v láske, v rešpekte voči jednému k druhému, v vzájomnom rešpekte a že sa budeme počúvať navzájom jeden druhého.
Braňo sa hlási.
Ďakujem, Braňovi, sa hlási.
Ja nesmelo navrhujem, aby sme si privodili ľahkú pivo.
Počkaj, na budúci rok dúfam,
Tam sa pozeraj.
Maringotka a budeme oslavovať a pozvem aj dať na oslavu aj Domoroďanov, to musíme, ne?
Domoroďanov.
Ervin bude robiť čo? Toto je uzel? Je toto uzel? Tešíme sa na Ervina 41.